Now we talk about long butterfly spread with call options. So the trader who will invest in such a spread, he expects the price to remain steady. So there are four components of long butterfly spread with call options, and all these four components are four call options. So basically what trader does is he buys one call with low exercise price, another call with high exercise price, and sells two calls with intermediate exercise price. So he buys two calls and sells two calls. So let us do an example to make things clear. So trader buys a call, say C1, with exercise price of 105 and he pays a premium of $4. He buys another call with exercise price of 95 and a premium of $8. So he has paid a total of $12. Then he sells two calls with exercise price of 100 and premium of $5. So this is the amount of money he receives. So he receives 2 times 5, that is $10. So his incoming is 10. So his total loss is minus 2. So he has paid 12 and he has gotten 10. So minus $2 is the total revenue. Now if the stock price is below 95, then none of the calls are exercised, because calls are exercised only if the stock price is above the exercise price, and the lowest exercise price in our case is 95. So you have exercise price of 105 and then you have exercise price of 100. So if it is below, the stock price is below 95 on the expiration date, none of the calls are exercised and the revenue is just minus $2. Now if the stock price is above 105, now the gains for long calls, so if the stock price is above 105, then this trader has bought two calls. He has bought a call for $105 and he has bought a call for $95. He is going to exercise both these calls, but he has also sold two calls with the price of $100. If the price is above 105, the stock price, the trader will gain because of these two calls, but he will also lose because he has short two calls at the strike price of 100. So the gains and losses are offset. So revenue is still minus $2. So below 95 and above 105, the revenue is minus $2. So the trader makes a positive profit if he gains this $2. So he has spent $2. So his revenue initially minus 2. So he has spent this $2 on indulging in this exercise of selling and buying calls. He has to recover these $2. So he can recover $2 from the long call of 95. So he can recover $2 from this 95 if the price is between 97 and 100. So between 97 and 100, he will make some money because he has invested in this call of exercise price of $95. On the other hand, if the price is between 100 and 103, the trader still makes a profit. So say at 102, he will lose $2. He will lose from right here. The revenue he had, initial revenue was minus $2. So this is minus $2. At 102, he has sold two calls with exercise price of 100. So both these calls are going to get exercised. On a single call, he will lose $2. And on two calls, he will end up losing $4. So this is what he loses. So he loses $4, that is minus 2 times 2. So minus 2 he loses because he has sold two calls with exercise price of 100 and they are going to get exercised at 102. So he has lost a total of minus $6. But he also gains $7 from exercising call 2. So stock price right now is 102 and people are going to exercise it for 100. So he is going to lose $2 here, but he is also going to gain $7 by utilizing his call option of $95. So he buys the shares at $95 from the person from whom he had gotten the call, and then he sells for $102, making $7 in the market. So he gains $7. So he gains $7 here, he loses $6 here. So 7 minus 6 will give him a total profit of $1. We will see this graphically in a minute. this entire exercise more visually. That will give us a better idea. So this is what the long butterfly spread with call options is. So the summary is the trader will make money between 97 and 103. So this 97 comes from 95, this 95 plus 2. So 2 is the revenue which was outgoing, so he has to make up these two, this 2 here, so 95 plus 2, and this 103 comes from his other investment in call of exercise price of 105, and then you have 105 minus 2 will give you 103. So the long trader expects the stock price will be between 97 and 103, so he will make money. The short butterfly spread, the person who is going to the opposite position of the long butterfly spread, that person is expecting that the stock price will be very volatile. It will be either below 97 or above 103. So this will be more clear graphically, and let us see that now. So now let us talk about long butterfly spread with call options. So the trader buys 2 calls and he sells 2 calls. So let us first focus on the calls which the trader buys. So trader buys a call with exercise price of 105 and he pays a premium of $4 for it. So this is how the graph of the call option will look like. He has paid $4 for it, so $4 comes here, and he will start making money only after the price rises above 105, and he will break even at 109. That is 105 plus the 4 he paid for it, so 109, and 105 is right here. Now let us focus on the second call option he has bought. Now he has paid $8 for the second call option and the exercise price is $95. So $95 is at right this point, but he makes money only after the stock price rises above 103. So 103 you get 95 is the exercise price plus 8 you paid for it. So this is the second call option he has bought. Now he has also sold 2 call options with the exercise price of 100 and premium of $5. So let us draw that. So this is the call option the trader has sold. He has sold 2 of these. So he got $10 in return, so $5 per option he got. And if the stock price rises above $105, then he's going to lose money. So after $100 he starts losing money, but above 105 he will start going in negative. So this is the equation, minus maximum of 0 comma x minus 100 minus 5. Now let us see all 3 of them together on the, so we have all 3 options now on the graph. So 2 of blue have been sold and this green and red has been bought. So let us add them up. So if you add it up, h of x is g of x plus f of x, you add these 2 up, plus twice L of x, twice of this one, you get this graph in orange. So this shows the position of the trader. So let us now focus on this orange graph. You see that the net loss here is minus $2, but the trader starts making money between the points 97, this point he makes money, and 103 he makes money. So let us just focus on this orange graph. So we will zoom in on it, and now you can clearly see that the trader makes money between $97 and $103, but he starts making some revenue between this 95, and he will start making revenue between 95 as the stock price rises, but he will be breaking even at 97. He will make money if the stock price is between 97 and 103, as you can see in the graph. So this graph is above 0, and at the price 105 and above, he will suffer a maximum loss of $2. So this is the position of the long trader. Now what is the position of the short trader, the trader who thinks exactly in the opposite way, or say who has sold this butterfly spread with call options to this person? For that trader, his position will exactly be the opposite. So this green shows the position of the short trader. He is going to make $2 here if the long trader loses $2 here. So it's exactly the opposite. So again, the long trader is expecting price to be steady. So he's expecting that price will be between $97 and $103, and then the long trader will make maximum amount of money at $100, and he will make $3 per share. Whereas the short trader is expecting the market to be volatile, and the short trader expects that no way the price is going to lie between 97 and 103. It's going to be either lesser than it or more than it, and therefore the short trader is thinking that he is going to make $2 per share.